everyone, I'm Maria and welcome back. It's been a while. I'm sorry about that, but here we are now and that's what counts. Today's a beautiful sunshiny day in Ashland, Oregon, where we're filming this, and we are doing Se del Toro tacos. And if you can guess, that means no meat. It's all vegan, plant-based tacos that we'll be making for you today. So let's get started. Here's our trusty Cuisinart. And I'm going to start by taking a cup and a half of walnuts that we soaked them overnight, rinsed them, trayed them for the dehydrator, and then they went into dehydration for 3 days. So that's the start, that's the foundation. And then we chopped up some crimini mushrooms, and that goes in there. That kind of gives it a little more of body and kind of that flavor that we're looking for. And then next is our half a cup of cilantro. And it's fine, we chopped it up first just to make it easy. And you can also add this after you are finished if you'd like, and just fold it in. I'll just throw it in now for convenience sake. And then we have a teaspoon of garlic, which has been chopped. And I'm just going to guess, just throw a little in. And a half a cup of celery. And you can add more of this, you know, it's kind of a mild flavor in there, and it also provides some body to the, we can throw the whole thing in actually. Okay, so we have that, and then we have, about a half a cup to a cup of onions. Yay. It's nice to be back. I'm happy to be here today. So next we're going to add our spices. This is kind of an all-in-one blending thing. And I'm going to start by adding 1.5 teaspoons of my chili powder. And this is a mild chili powder. And I'll just add a little more. That's a half a teaspoon. A teaspoon of chili flakes. Sometimes these are really hot and sometimes they're not. And when you only add a teaspoon, you really don't. It's not significant. But if you are bothered by heat at all, you can leave it out. Then I have a tablespoon of cumin that I ground prior to this. And so it's nice to have fresh as possible. So this is a tablespoon of cumin going in there. A tablespoon of coriander. Again, I ground this also. Ooh. Yum, making a lot of flavor. And then I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of salt. Now, if you want to use a substitute, like Bragg's or Cocoa Aminos, you can do, try about a tablespoon into that mixture. And add more if you need to. I'm going to leave out, since there are so many things that kind of help with the salty flavor, I'm just going to use as little as possible. So that is that. We have the salt, we have everything in there that we need, I hope. So this is the base for our tacos. So anyway, that's the first part of it, and they will go into these romaine leaves, and then we'll start putting all the different condiments in them. And then you can just fold it up. You can cut this part off if you wish. And so we can also do that too. So next we're going to do the sour cream, plant-based. No cows needed here. So I took 1 cup of cashew pieces, a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, or you can use lime if you want, but I think for the sour cream, lemon is preferred. And then a cup of agua, filtered water. That's pretty easy. And as you saw how fast that recipe is, that can be done pretty quickly, and you'll have a meal for your family. And then a half a teaspoon I use Himalayan salt, the pink Himalayan salt. Throw that in. You might need a little more, so again, we're going to do a taste test when we're finished. All right, here we go. So that should do it. We have our cream. And now we're going to assemble them. So we will start by taking one romaine leaf, and this is the finished product of the taco filling. And I'm pleased at how that turned out. So we're gonna just put some onions on the taco, and then we're going to put some red peppers. Just kind of do what you do with a taco. Some tomatoes. We took the heirloom tomatoes from the co-op today, and they are nicely chopped for this event. And if you want to sprinkle a little more cilantro, you can do that. These are broccoli sprouts, but you can use whatever kind of sprouts you want, or just eliminate them. They are optional. They're just very lovely to add, and add a little more flavor and body. And then we'll add a wonderful avocado, which is a heart-healthy food. And you just put that across like that. And next we'll put some of the cream, and as you can see, it thickened up really nicely. So I'll just drizzle some across. And then I made some salsa, which we will include the recipe. So just throw that on the top, and you got yourself a meal. And there we have it. And there it is, ready for you to enjoy. Thank you. It was nice spending a few minutes in the kitchen with you, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you. Adios.